Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some chicken nuggets, fries, and some Chick Fil A sauce. These chicken nuggets are Southern style chicken nuggets or whatever. They actually taste like pickles. I should have known when I bought it. I was seeing if I can find some Chick Fil A sauce or whatever, even if they sell it on the Walmart grocery app. And of course, they didn't sell it, so I ended up making my own Chick Fil A sauce. And the chicken nuggets popped up or whatever. They were somewhat more than I would usually pay for them, but they're kind of nasty. So I ended up making some other chicken nuggets that I had in the freezer or whatever. These are way better than these, of course, or whatever. I got these nuggets from my mom, and my mom got them from, I think, my Aunt Regina. Thank you for giving them to my mom or whatever. I still have a whole bunch left. I've been eating them day by day, and they are kind of big. Well, the package is big, but I'm still eating on them. But yeah, I was craving some Chick Fil A sauce or whatever, so I ended up making some Chick Fil A sauce. It was inspired by, what is the girl's name? I wrote it down. Astrology from A to Z. She actually had the recipe, and I decided to make it. And I'm not going to Chick Fil A anymore. Everybody know that or whatever because of BS. That's a lot, and I just put it on a piece of pan. Pretty good. And I have a Budlight, planning on treating myself today. It is what it is. The recipe that the girl Astrology from A to Z made is tastes basically the same as Chick Fil A sauce. I haven't been there in probably a year or so, or whatever. It's a bunch of malarkey. It's not worth it to me. Ooh. My first beer in a long time, man. It was so good. Dang. Excuse me. But hopefully everybody's doing well today. My week is going good so far. We can't complain. My car was blocked in earlier in my apartment, so I couldn't even go take out my freaking trash because I don't prefer walking to the dumpster, so I always drive to take my trash to the dumpster. And initially I was trying to do it before I went to work, and that didn't play out. So I ended up waiting on my break, well, a little bit before my break, basically go to the trash can. And around that time, it was like 9:45, and they still didn't move their car. It was right there until like 10:30 or whatever. I didn't have an emergency or anything else to do, but it's kind of weird that somebody's parking in the emergency zone with a truck and a trailer. They were just moving people's crap. Nobody got time for that. It could have been an emergency. They was blocking in a whole bunch of cars, probably like 5 or 6 of my neighbors' cars. And nobody really go to work anymore in the morning. Well, I don't know. They might work at home, but they wouldn't complain. But By the time I was trying to get them to move, somebody else was complaining too. Punch him, Marky. Yeah, I don't like these. I mean, it's meat, but I don't even think it's like chicken, because when I was cooking it, I feel like some dang fish. It feel like tuna. I never heard about this brand before, so that's where I messed up too. Next thing, I'm gonna have to make a Chick Fil A sandwich or whatever. Just spread some of the Chick Fil A sauce on it. That would be lovely. That hit the spot. I really wish I had I don't wish I had a dog, but sometimes I wish I had a dog so I can feed it my leftovers. Then it'll probably be sick. Ooh. It reminds me just like the Chick Fil A sauce. I really don't see it different. I know I always like the time I went to Chick Fil A, I always just like love the Chick Fil A sauce. I was hooked. I used to have packs and packs of it until I used it all up. And I stopped messing with Chick Fil A like that. I don't know what the heck was going on. The dang police was outside. I don't know if it was a police car. Well, never mind. It wasn't a police car. It just said patrol on it, so it wasn't a police car. It was just like standing. Well, it was parked behind my car. I don't know why people always park behind my dang car, just looking. as far as this mukbang. Just weird or whatever. I don't think I'm a be doing no more DoorDash or Uber Eats. It's getting too hectic out here. I think this morning, well, last night they had an article about this woman in Haltom City that I guess she was a driver for Uber Eats or DoorDash, whichever one, and she ended up getting killed, shot in the head. She had like 3 kids and she was like 31. Like, dang. And she was delivering at 9 o'clock at night. I said it was a so-called good apartment complex, but obviously it wasn't. I don't understand. Yeah, well, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta get money, but women doing that at nighttime, people in general doing that at nighttime. Understand we have to get your money, but people are crazy these days. You never know the people you delivering to. Hell, I don't even know the people that be delivering the food most of the time. I can say that about a Walmart or any delivery driver, because I know when I initially started getting groceries from Walmart, you know, they go through DoorDash. They don't have they don't have no like Walmart person that's delivering the groceries. They used to actually have the license plate on the actual app that's going to be delivering the groceries. During that time, it would always be people that didn't have the exact car that I was looking for. It'd be like a red Toyota, and then next thing you know, it'd be like a gray Buick coming to my house or whatever and delivering groceries. And it'd be like, what the heck? And the license plate don't add up. And I called a couple of times to complain about it. But you never know. I guess they couldn't get the actual subscription or deliver food in their name, so they got their friend or cousin to do it. It'll be even once or twice it was a woman with a black name that was supposed to deliver to my house, and it was an African dude that actually came to my house, and I was like, what the hell? I just said I don't like that, because you never know. Some kind of craziness or somebody coming out to get you. And that was like probably a year ago when I stopped seeing that. Now they just tell you the color of the car. Well, they tell you the type of car and the color where the person is supposed to be delivering. I was like, dang. You never know these days. There's some crazy people everywhere you go. And the crazy thing about it, I thought this was going to be like somewhere in New York. This was just in Texas. So I was like, what the heck? I know, about the time when about the time I moved to work at home, it was a mental patient over here. I guess I'm assuming, I don't know if they got checked in over here or whatever, but they, I guess they were having a bad day or they just flipped out. They stabbed somebody in the breezeway and killed them, left them to die, and they went back home to go to sleep. So I was like, I don't even feel comfortable. Some of the stuff, I rarely go outside. The only time I actually go outside is to take out my trash. I don't like being outside when a lot of people is outside. I don't like going outside when it's nighttime and all this stuff. It's too dangerous. Too dangerous. That's too much. And even for the Amazon drivers or whatever, when I first found out that they, Amazon was delivering packages between the 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. period, I hopped on it. And one day, the first time that, somebody delivered to me, it was like a little tiny girl. Like really tiny. She was way smaller than me by weight and size. And I was like, what the heck? And she was like, yeah, I don't know where you're at. I was just thinking, like, where the heck is your mama? Where's your people, whatever? They know you actually delivering this crap. Money ain't everything, whatever. It's not. It's just too much. Whew. I think I fried these too long too, but I just can't get. I can't do with the actual chicken or chicken and pickle taste. It's like too much. It seems like they like put the batter in chicken. Well, they put a chicken batter in pickles, like, and let it soak in there for like days. I like pickles, but I'm not that much a fan of pickles. Just disgusting. I'm gonna have to read the reviews because obviously I wasn't looking. I didn't actually see. Well, I didn't actually look it up before I actually bought it. That is good. I didn't even have to season these fries. I'm just feeling like blah right now. Not necessarily blah, just over it. Like I do that same freaking thing every day. And I think I'm thinking I need to be off of social media. I'm tired of seeing people die every freaking day. I guess just waiting on my time. Yeah. Yeah. That sounds depressing. But we all gotta die. beer has literally been in my cabinet, it seems like, for at least it's been in my cabinet since December the 25th. Plus, it's been almost a month since I drunk a beer. It's crazy. It's real crazy. I thought people with motorcycles already left these freaking apartments. That stuff is annoying, especially in the middle of the night. But yeah. I'm tired. I'm not really like physically tired, I'm just mentally tired. It's got a lot on my mind. Not nothing major, just same crap. Everybody in my family is doing well, but yeah. So that's not a big factor. Just got other things on my mind. And ready just to have a good night's rest. I'm done. I refuse to eat these chicken nuggets. They're nasty. Yeah, I wrote it down. Southern style chicken nuggets go to hell. Y'all are full of it. This shit is nasty. I didn't write all that, but it is pretty nasty. Yeah, I guess reading is fundamental though. Next time I actually research. This is probably the reason why I saw it on Walmart. This is the first time I'm seeing it at Walmart. But yeah. I'll just stick to the regular chicken nuggets, Foster Farms. Those be hidden. Cauliflower ranch wings. Cauliflower wings. Yeah. Just 6 of those. Oh Lord, dang. This shirt is not cooperating. It's like it's been like a freaking bum. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully everybody is having a great week so far. I'll see you guys on the next video.